Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to find the best place to post your YouTube video on Reddit. And this is a very interesting question because a lot of people are having problems when sharing their videos to YouTube videos to Reddit, because Reddit always have some certain rules for each subreddit, especially those mainstream subreddits like our videos. And when you go to our videos, r/videos, you will find that Reddit, you must have 30 days old account, and also if you find, you can get you must have minimum 10 link and 10 comment karma. Also, just to be on the safe side, you should post over here when you have over 500 karma in total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to visit this website called redditlist.com, and I have posted the link in the description box. And let's say I have Anish Fortnite. I'm going to focus on Fortnite, and you see Fortnite. These are the subreddits, and there are four subreddits at the moment. So let's visit over here, Fortnite/Fortnite, and I went there directly, and this subreddit has over 220,000 subscribers. So it's less than a million and more than 100,000, which is perfect. So not that competitive, but also a lot of traffic can be generated. So what happens is that you have to read the rules and regulations before posting in this subreddit. Now you see the rules, the community links: be mature, no witch hunting, please post should be directly related to Fortnite, and low quality post memes, we love funny posts, fast quality content, promotion guidelines. So you have to read all of these guidelines and promotions before posting over here. Now let's see, let's open the next two, and we have Fortnite VR, and you see Fortnite VR guy has posted Twitch. I think he has posted Twitch video over here. Let's see, we are all of media. You see they have given a tag. So YouTube, I just want to focus on YouTube. Yes, you can post over here. So now let's see if I'll go to create post, and link here. In the title you have to write media, spoiler, NSFW flare. See, you have all sorts of, you can select which flare you want to give. You have to choose media and apply it over here. You have to choose this media, and then your YouTube link, whatever it is, the title will come, and you can post your video over here. So we have covered this also. And now Fortnite Battle Royale. So I think there is yes, you can post over here as well, YouTube videos. So I have a lot of friends who are posting Fortnite videos. I hope it's helpful for them. And always, like always, you can also post like explained before for our videos. You can post over here on our gaming, but the same rules apply. You need minimum 500 to 1000 karma and over 30 days old account. If you don't have such stats, you can tell a friend, maybe he will post it for you over here in these sections. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I'm going to tell you one thing before finishing it off, wrapping it all up. um, Reddit is going to give you lots of traffic if you post and are careful with the rules and regulations, and also make sure that your account is old enough. But also you need to keep in mind to keep very good care of the people who comment on your Reddit posts. Reply to them, be nice to the community, and try to make small description before adding your link. Try to add a small story so that you are not considered as a spammer, as a video promoter or of sorts, and this means that you are taking care of the Reddit community. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section what's your experience on Reddit while posting YouTube videos. I'll be signing off. Thank you. Take care.